Next global indicator is SA. SA means South Atlantic. It is applicable when our journey is via Atlantic Ocean. Means when our passenger is crossing the Atlantic Ocean. Now we'll understand this global indicator through this map. Very first condition says it can be a direct flight between South Atlantic or Southeast Asia or vice versa. Southeast Asia to South Atlantic. Second condition says if our passenger wanted to take any via point in area 2, in that case he is allowed to take via point only in Central Africa, Southern Africa and Indian Ocean Islands. In that case, that itinerary will be SC. Now we'll understand this through some of the example. Itinerary is Buenos Aires, Beira and Phnom Penh. Buenos Aires, Beira and Phnom Penh. Now we have to find out whether this itinerary is satisfying the condition of SA or not. Now SA condition says that your journey should be between South Atlantic and Southeast Asia. Now here Buenos Aires is in Argentina, Argentina is in South Atlantic. Phnom Penh is in Cambodia, Cambodia is in Southeast Asia. That means this itinerary has satisfied the very first and the second condition. Now the third condition says via point. Via point should be in the Central Africa or Southern Africa or Indian Ocean Island. Now here Beira is in Mozambique and Mozambique is in Southern Africa. That means this itinerary has satisfied the via condition also. So the global indicator for this itinerary will be SA. I will check the next one. Next is Hanoi, Bangkok, Cape Town and Montevideo. Hanoi, Bangkok, Cape Town, Montevideo. Now we have to find out whether this itinerary is satisfying the condition of SA or not. SA says your journey should start or destination point should be South Atlantic or Southeast Asia. Now here our journey is starting from Hanoi. Hanoi is in Vietnam. Vietnam is in Southeast Asia. That means it has satisfied the origin condition. Second condition says then